Hi, welcome to another codeSpace video. In our previous tutorial we have seen how we can generate an Angular JS 5 application. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then just go below and click the red subscribe button. In this tutorial we will discuss how we can create different links in the same application. For this we just need to go and type Angular generate module app routing. So -- flat, it will generate that app routing file inside this app folder, and -- module equals to app will add this to this app module.ts. So you can see that it has been imported here and the file got generated here. So we'll now go and modify app component.html. I have changed this app component.html. Here I have given two links. I have given Angular and AWS. Instead of href we need to give route link, because Angular will use router link to routing this path, and we need to give this outer outlet in this app component.html. So this part will always be steady, so it will be visible in every of the page. Like if here we can give the header, and below we can give like footer. Now I'll go and create two components with Angular and AWS. For this we need to give ng generate component AWS. So inside app we can see another component got created with folder AWS, and now we'll go and create another component Angular. Now we'll go and open routing modules. So I have updated the app routing modules. So we have imported both these modules. Also we have imported router modules. So what basically router modules will do? Router modules will basically check if the path is Angular or if the path is AWS. It will just load this component. So the component is AWS component for path AWS. So for this we need to import AWS component. And these are all the default settings. So I'll just go and run this application now. Also we can see in app module.ts that both this AWS component and Angular component automatically got imported. So here we can see that codeSpace got printed, and with the two links Angular 5 and AWS. So we'll just go and hit Angular 5. You can see that Angular works. And if we click AWS, you can see AWS work. So both this Angular works and AWS works is coming from that component. If I go and open AWS component, you can see AWS works is here. So this is the file that goes inside what it is here in the router outlet, and the top part is always constant and the bottom part is always constant. That's all for this video. If you like my video, then don't forget to hit the thumb icon. Thanks for watching this video.